how to play Brawl Stars on 120 FPS. Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to play Brawl Stars on 120 FPS. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So basically you need to go your settings. As you can see, I'm on my Android phone. Here on the search bar, wait a little bit here on the search bar, I will type in games. I will go to this tab, scroll down a little bit and I will turn on Game Turbo. Let's wait a little bit and here you can play Brawl Stars or any game at high FPS rate. So basically right now as you can see I'm on my balance mode. If I will go on high quality, I will play Brawl Stars on 120 FPS. Right now start playing and that's it guys. So that's basically how you can play Brawl Stars on 120 FPS. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.